Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. To my returning watcher and subscribers, thank you guys so much. So today I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Yes honey. Before we get right into this video, don't forget to like, share, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like videos like this. Also, don't forget to do the most important thing: subscribe guys. So without further ado, before I talk and ramble too much, let's get right into the video. I'm going to be doing the tag of what's in my bag. I really love this bag. I love the leather and everything. It's an LV dupe, but I love it so much. As you guys can see, the bag is very big. It occupies a whole lot of stuff. That's why it's my everyday bag. So let's get right into all the things that are in this bag. The first thing that my hand actually touched in my bag is my hairbrush. This is my everyday hairbrush. I always take this just to brush out my hair. Even with my natural hair, I find myself using a hairbrush more because I feel like a comb really cuts my hair majority of the time. So next thing that is in my bag, I have some funny things that I carry all the time. I just feel like I always need them, so I take them all the time. So another thing I have in my bag is, you guys don't laugh at me, is my Eco Styling Gel Extra Old for Active Lifestyle. Now the reason why I carry this all over in my bag is because most of the time when I go out, I don't do makeup. I hardly put makeup. It's only when I come on YouTube that I do this. And I always wear my natural hair majority of the time. I always like to put my edge control in my bag so that I can just slick some gel on it and I am good to go. So I have this in my bag, and I have the brush which I use for all of that jazz. So yeah, these two things. You guys don't judge me. This is the things that are in my bag. So the next thing in my bag is my AirPods, my Apple AirPods, and this shit is looking dirty. A girl is always on the phone. I actually like phone conversations than texting, so I'm always on the phone and I'm always on the move as well. So this is good, and yeah, from afar, my AirPods are there. The next thing in my bag is my 24 karat golden 24 karat powder. I like to take this because, like I said, I don't use makeup, so sometimes I just want to feel pretty. I just use this powder, slap it on my face, and I'm good to go. It also has like an inner mirror inside, so I like this. And it also has like this little puff, so if I don't want to use my brush or I forget my brush at home, I'll just use this to apply all over my face and I'm good to go. Next thing I have in my bag is Pink and Sweet body mist. It's 200 ml in it. I love this stuff. It smells really nice, guys. I love it. I feel like every girl should have this, so I really love it. I always put it in my bag. I don't like to take my perfumes out. I feel like, I don't even care, but this one is always in my bag. Another thing I have also in my bag is my crystal fan, and this fan was given to me in a bridal package, and I always like to use this. It just really has like a classy feel, so I always like to put this in my bag as well, just because Lagos is hot. Next thing is my power bank. This power bank was actually given to me by my mom. Another thing I have in my bag is my Milan lip gloss. I take this everywhere all the time. It's always in my bag. I don't know, I think I've said it before in like one of my videos that this is my favorite lip gloss of all time. I'm always on it, so yeah, that's what I have on my lips right now. Next thing I have in my bag is my, God, I can't believe I'm going to show you guys this, my Pond All Control Orange Peel Extract and Sunscreen. So I like to wear this because it has sunscreen. Most of the time I just go in this and my 24 karat gold powder, mix that up together, shake it up together and put it on my face, just because this has sunscreen and it gives like a perfect blend on my face. So I always like to put this in my bag. Plus when I have makeup sometimes on when I'm out, don't know, but once in a while, if I don't want my makeup to move and I want my makeup to stay all day, because I have really oily skin and smile lines as well, once I put it on top of my makeup, my finished makeup, this is good and I love this stuff. Next thing I have in my bag is my hand cream, Heat Coat Ivory hand cream. I love it. I love the way it smells actually. I also have another one as well. I always go with these two hand creams in my bag. Also I have this Pearl Nutrition series, Hydrate and Nourish with pearl water with pearl nutrition expert, pearl extract and The name is long shower water pearl body lotion. But yeah, I love this stuff a lot. I have a couple of it at home. Yeah, I always put this in my bag as well. But this is not, I like this because it's not a hand cream. I can use it on my face, on my hand, on my leg. Once I just feel ashy and stuff, I just put some of this and I am good to go. Another thing I have in my bag, I have a whole lot of things in this bag. Jesus, I feel so embarrassed. Is my customized mirror. My friend actually did this for me, so I really love it. I cherish it. I don't joke with whatever anybody gives me. It's always important, except I hate that person. And hate is a very strong word. I don't know why I'm using that word, but anyways, yeah. So this is the back. This is the front. I love this stuff. I take it everywhere because I feel like it has my name on it. So in your faces, IBK. And you guys have seen me using this a lot on YouTube because I'm so proud of it. It has my name on it. I beg. So another thing I have in my bag, Jesus Christ, I have so much things in this bag. Is my omega fish oil. Now I take this in my bag because I always use my vitamins and ions. I have 3 that I take. I have vitamins and I also have like iron and something. I can't remember what the name of that one is, but I always like to take this one during the day, so I always put this in my bag. Heart health, mint it omega-3 fish oil, helps maintain a healthy heart. And yeah, I love this stuff. It's good for my skin. I also have this as well, again in my bag, just for my face, to apply my powder and all that stuff. I have this as well in my bag, and this is my pink excellent pink lips balm. So this is just like a natural pink lips balm that my friend got for me a while ago, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It just gives you that pink lips, and it will peel off on its own after like 2-3 hours when it's dry. Another thing I have in my bag as well, which is very important in Lagos, is my glasses, which is my Cartier glasses. I love this stuff. It's my favorite glasses ever. So yeah, I love. So I love my Cartier glasses, and a lot of people have been trying to collect it from me, but God forbid, I'll not give them. Let me wear it for you guys so you guys can see how much of a babe I look with this shit. So can you guys get it? Anyways, so guys, I don't know why I'm laughing a lot. I think because I had coke, so I'm hyper. God help me today. So yeah, I always take my glasses everywhere because the sun cannot come and blind my eye. And then in the glasses, it also has the thing that came with it, but I used to clean it. And last but not the least, I also have like my wallets. Okay, I have like a proper wallet that I use, but it's too small. I started using this wallet. It came in one of my bags, one of my bags that I got, so I just started using it because of like a small purse. So I like this purse to be my bag, and I'm using it as my wallet of late. Here in this purse, I have ATM cards, I have my pin, I have like cards and stuff. I also have like one of my perfumes that I just roll on. I also have some receipts, nothing really major, just cards, ATMs, and just personal stuff anyways. So yeah, that is all I've showed you guys, all the things I have in my bag. You guys have seen it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys share this video, and I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys like videos like this, I'm enjoying these sit down videos. If you guys like videos like this, let me know in the comment section. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.